world history class, we learned about the Greeks and how they believed in many different gods. This can be relatable today because all throughout the city and the places that we are in, people believe in so many different gods. But we, as members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, know that there is only one true God.
So this week in science, we've been working on our science fair projects, and Sam Rogers and I have been doing our science fair project, which is a levitating building. So we've been working on getting magnets and trying out new things.
In computer science today, we read a talk by Russell M. Nelson describing what he's seen throughout his 99 years of life and how technology has advanced in this time.
A couple weeks ago, we learned about, in history class, we learned about the Mongols and how this man by the name of Genghis Khan conquered and unified the Mongolia, in a sense, or Asia. And I think that's very significant to today, that in order for us as a society or as Americans, we need to be able to unify and be able to come together as one and be able to learn together and grow.